interesting question about somebody's asking basically like I think the point of the question is like if there's a female cleaner, then isn't that problematic for when your sons and your husband is around, right? Well, I have certain requirements of my cleaner. So I choose my cleaner very carefully, right? So for example, I will ask that the cleaner be middle-aged or above. Okay. Um, it's usually somebody who's mature, older than me, even, right? Um, or similar age, and somebody who's like a parent themselves, somebody who dresses modestly. Like I literally tell them, that there's certain requirements for dress in my house, basic requirements. Obviously, if it's a non-Muslim, I'm not going to tell her to wear the hijab or anything, but um, certain basic requirements of modesty, yes. And basically, my sons keep out of the way. It's quite simple. I time it in such a way that she. First of all, you don't want a lot of people in the house anyway, right? So